Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm taking a look at the If You Shea So face sheet mask with shea butter and jojoba oil by Bath and Body Works. It's 0.7 ounces and it's only made for one use. So it's rich and moisturizing. You apply the mask to dry a clean face for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the mask and massage excess product into the skin. This is one of my favorite sheet masks that I've come across. It's designed to infuse your skin with supercharged ingredients, and like I said, it's used one time only. But what I'll do is I'll give myself little mini facials, and I will wash and exfoliate and put a mask on, usually a clarifying mask or one of those charcoal masks that clean out your pores, and then at the end of it I will put one of these If You Shea So face masks on, and my face feels like butter, and it has shea butter, so that's appropriate. So yeah, I found these when I actually was told by another friend that these were really great sheet masks, and there's been such a boom because it started with the Korean sheet masks and now it's gone completely mainstream. That's exactly how the BB cream started, was in Korea, and because they are really into skincare. I live in Los Angeles, so I'm close to Koreatown, so I can get my hands on any sort of Korean masks, especially the sheet masks, and now it's mainstream. So this one, it's just a really wonderful texture. It's nice, it's relaxing. Lay down, put my head back for a while, maybe watch a little bit of bad reality TV like The Real Housewives of blank. Fill in the blank here. There's so many: Dallas, Orange County, the Potomac, New York City. Did I say Dallas? Yeah, so there's plenty of things to watch, and it keeps my skin looking young, and that's the goal for me, is to always keep my skin looking young, especially getting mistaken for underage, which always makes my day. How can that not make your day? So this is part of my skin regimen, If You Shea So, the face sheet mask, and it keeps me looking young, it keeps me looking fabulous, and I say if you like sheet masks and you want super moisture, which you do it before you go to bed, and you get super moisture, and the excess, when you take the mask off, you just rub the excess into your skin, and it's just so soft and so nice. And jojoba oil is such a great moisturizer as well. So it's all natural, and I love it. I can't say enough good things about this mask. It's not super expensive, and it's a nice treat, especially if you want to take a bath in some bubble bath, and I don't know, if you're feeling up to it, to shave your legs. That's always a pain in the butt, but it makes you feel a little nicer. And scrub yourself and do your facial stuff, and I use quite a few facial wash products as well as masks and exfoliators and eye creams. But this is such a nice mask for my whole face, just to moisturize the heck out of it. So like I always say, don't take my word for it. Try it out yourself, because I think you will be astounded with the results. You look glowing the next day. You look so pretty. You wake up and you just look magical without any makeup on, which I think every woman looks magical without makeup on, but that's just my opinion. So even though makeup is magic too. So try this out. Don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.